So this is where we're at with this project. Front end is coming along nicely. Here you can see I've got this is the M series control arms and everything, which are just shorter, about 2 inches. Here's the other side. It's kind of half apart already, so you can see stuff is kind of pushed out a little bit more because all the bolts are coming out. So anyways, there's a kind of a fallback on it. Looks pretty good. Fox shocks compared to coils, I would say about 1.5 pound difference in weight, quite a bit. Control arms, about 1 pound or so per side, so about 1, and then once this side's changed, it'll be about another pound savings. The big savings is, and I measured these with scales, like I actually took the parts and put it on a scale to see. This the stabilizer arm I've taken all the way out, so that's a big one, and it's actually a metal. This piece here is comes to about 5 pounds. Just metal rod. So that's 5 pounds right there. In total, I'm thinking with the Fox shocks and the shorter arms and everything, we're about 10 pounds savings on the front end, and I think it looks pretty sweet. Like these, it's not powder coating. I wish I could remember the name, but I could get it if somebody wants it. These guys are kind of hydro dipping. That's what it's called. I knew it was something. So it's called hydro dipping. It's pretty durable because I did bash it a couple times to get this pin through here. So I bashed it a little bit with a rubber hammer, but I hit it one time with the metal, so it chipped. So it does chip, but it takes a bit of a beating. I think it's actually quite a bit stronger than powder coating. So, and to kind of show the assembly, it's pretty straightforward. This pin, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. This pin stands like straight up. This is your spindle. This bad boy here, oh yeah, nice. We'll just kind of give you a rough here. This bad boy slides onto the shaft there. It's a bit of a pain. So once you get that on, so it's like that, let's say, then this is the steering mechanism. It actually slides onto this spline, and the reason it's a pain, it should just slide on nice, but here you can see I had to clean out the little teeth because they had that hydro dipping paint or whatever that stuff is. It was all jammed inside, so it was really hard. I had to take it on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off forever, about 15 times until it and this one's not 100% done, but it's pretty good. You want it to slide on really nice because once you put it all together, you don't want to be hammering it and chipping all your nice, which I've already done a little bit on this one, but whatever, it's never going to be perfect. You just don't want to chip it. You could tape it up with auto body tape, which I guess I should have done. I wrapped it with cloth when I was kind of hammering it and stuff, but it's not perfect. But so that's going to be the other side. I'll work on that. The motor's out. I'll have to clean this all up. It's definitely a lot of years of riding and no maintenance on it, so I'm just going to clean it up. That's all it really needs, and bust the bolt here, which is not too big of a deal. It broke in here, yeah, so I'll have to get it tapped out. And tunnel's ready for paint. Gonna get that done. Gonna take it to the car wash, degreaser it, get all this junk out of here, retape it. Yeah, do the other front end, so it'll be nice once it's, gee whiz, it looks like a mess right now, but once it's all done, it's gonna look really good. So stay tuned, and yeah, as always, thanks for watching.